Hey, what is up with you guys? I'm Yash, and many of us have a low-end PC that does not respond faster, or it might have got slower over time. Maybe it has low RAM, low graphic memory, or some outdated technology that cannot manage to execute the modern operations. And sometimes it is very frustrating. Well, this video is about 5 ways on how you can come out of this problem and make your PC run faster without wasting any money on it. Number 5. Change the visual effects. To start off, this trick will help you if you have a low-end PC that have now become very old. You can change the visual effects settings of your computer. Now to get there, go to search and search for performance. Then click on adjust the appearance and performance on Windows. And then finally click on adjust for best performance. And what this will do is, it will remove a lot of fancy animations or maybe some graphical effects. So now Windows will start to look a little bit uglier, but it will be more snappier because now you don't have to wait for animations and stuff like that. So if your PC have a low graphical memory, this trick could make a difference. Number 4. System File Checker. Alright, the next method is to make sure that there are no corrupted files in your Windows that might potentially be slowing down your computer. And you can do this with the help of a tool called System File Checker. It is an inbuilt tool in Windows which will automatically look for corrupted files and repair it by itself once you start running the tool. To run this, go to the search bar and search for command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator. Then type in sfc/scan now. Hit enter and it will start the process. Now, it might take some time like an hour or potentially more, but you can continue the work you want to do in background. And hopefully it will say no error found, but if any error pops out, you can of course Google it for the solution. But wait, before moving on to the next trick, consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Number 3. Disabling or limiting search indexing. The next thing you can try is either disabling or limiting Windows search indexing. To get there, go in Settings and then Search and then Searching Windows tab. Now you get two options, whether to set it to Classic mode or in Enhanced mode. Set it to Classic mode to greatly reduce the amount of files that Windows keep on indexing in the background. What this means is, whenever you use the search option to search for any file in Windows, it will only look for the file in libraries or in desktop. It is not going to look anywhere else on your computer. Now this trick will make a bigger difference if you have a lot of files and your PC works only on a hard drive. But if you have an SSD, it probably won't make much difference. You can definitely check it out, but be aware, whenever you change the option back to enhanced mode, your PC might slow down for a moment until it reindexes everything. Number 2. Windows Automatic Maintenance. Up next, you want to take the advantage of Windows Automatic Maintenance. This is something Windows should run automatically every day, but if it's not working correctly, it could cause some issues. To start off, go to Control Panel and then go to System and Security. Then Security and Maintenance, and then go to the drop-down menu next to Maintenance. Here you can check the last run date of automatic maintenance. So, if it's been a while, you can go to the Change Maintenance Settings, and it is probably set to 2 AM by default, but you can change it to whichever time you require. Or you can just click on Start Maintenance and it would start the process immediately. And while it is maintaining your PC, it will do some things like defragmenting your disk if it's required and stuff like that, so that you can improve your computer's efficiency. Number 1. Reset this PC. Right, now if you have tried pretty much every single thing you can do and it is still not getting any better, there is one last nuclear option that you can try, and it is a feature called Reset This PC. It will basically restore your PC into its default state, where I believe it will reset all the settings or uninstall all the third-party programs. but it should keep all your files intact. Well, it's supposed to, but of course, you want to take backup before taking this step. And I would recommend you to stick to all the other tricks that I have shown you in this video if you haven't tried them. But still, if you want to do this, you can do it by going into Settings and then Update and Security, Recovery, and there you will have the option to reset this PC. And once you click it, it will guide you through how it works. But again, do this as a last resort. So that's pretty much it for the tricks, and I believe they will surely help you. One last thing I would like to say is that updating Windows can also sometimes slow down your PC, as it may consume more memory or more RAM. And since they are set to automatic update by default, I have made a video on how you can disable the automatic update on Windows. Hopefully this will help you out, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found the video useful. If you want more of such videos regarding mobile and computer, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Share this video with all of your friends so that they also can get benefit from this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great time.